Hello, welcome to SaritzArtRoom. Today we will go with a new session of home decor idea. So today, can you guess what we are planning? I am having old fish tank which we generally use for goldfish. It's a small glass pot in a round shape. So we will use this pot for our living room or bedroom decoration. To keep this stable, I am using this planter base dish and few decorative items. So it's very easy and quick decoration idea. Let's start. So like this, we are keeping our fish pot. After that, we will add decorative items into this fish pot. So while adding, so I'm using colorful stones and old toys, of course, because this is decoration idea using old toys. So I'm having lot many old toys with me. Then this is crocodile. I'm having few artificial trees and lot many fishes with me. So this is a push toy, which is a favorite for kids and babies. Carefully we will add first colored stone into the base, as it is a glass pot. Be careful while adding stones into that. Let me take this into so you can use any color stones. Blue stones I am adding more at one side. And we have just arranged stones into this color, keeping this toys. Added this crocodile, then one little frog, few fishes. I will add it near blue stones. Arrange it in a such a way that it should be visible from distance. I am planning to keep this on top of my shelf, so I am arranging in such a way that it will be visible from long distance. This is small turtle, and lastly I am adding this cactus. If you want, you can add, or else you can skip this particular step. So be careful in that. After that, little cute panda I am adding here. Let's see, it's ready. Add 5 to 8 more colors. We will put this very light into that, and let's wait for getting dark and I'll show you how it looks. So I'll put fairy light into this and I'll show you once it will be dark. Also I'll keep this into my shelf and I'll show you how it looks. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. Have a good day. Bye bye.